Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to color grade a group of clips in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I've already brought up two clips here, and what you want to do is go over to the color grading tab. And now, for example, I've selected this clip. If let's say I want to make it all yellow like this, as you can see, it only does the color grade to this specific clip. Now let's say we want to have the same color grade on this clip as well. What you want to do is, with Shift, you can just select both, then right click, and then you go to add into a new group. Just click it, and then you can just name it, let's say colorful, then OK. And now, if you can see, I've only selected this clip. If you do it right now, it doesn't change, okay? It's still only the selected clip is yellow. So what you have to do for this is go over on the top right on clip and then go to group pre-clip. If you enable this and then you do the same again, as you can see, both clips turn yellow. Of course, you can do this for 3 or even more clips as well. Okay, that was a little hack on how to color grade a group of clips in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.